pecking order for a little bit, but they'll accept them soon.
Goodness. Be nice, guys. Those are your new friends. I moved and these guys came out, but the other ones stayed in there with each other. Let's see what they do, I guess. I was hoping these guys would follow these guys, but they don't seem to be doing that just yet. They want out of the barn, but we're in their way. There they go. Now they got out. Go be with your family. There they go. Goodness. Be nice.
They'll accept them soon.
Laying down back there with our ducks. It looks like the new little one is getting along a little bit better. They still kind of peck at him, but he's still hanging out. So today I released my last babies into the coop. You can see them all there, my white Leghorns and my Cornish Cross Broilers. They're all those yellowish ones. So they are joining my Australorps and brown Leghorns, those black ones, all my Rhode Island Reds, and then my over there, my Cinnamon Queen / Easter Eggers. So now we have everybody in the coop. This is about 85 chickens, something like that. Just seeing how they all do together. Everybody seems to be getting along. The Australorps and the brown Leghorns and the Rhode Island Reds came in here first, so they seem to be pretty good buddies. And then the new ones seem to be sticking together pretty well, and the Cinnamon Queen / Easter Eggers, they seem to be sticking together pretty well. So they're definitely segregating themselves, but I haven't noticed really any big fighting out here. So it seems like everybody's doing pretty good and getting along pretty well so far. So we'll see how it goes. So it's been a few days since I released the white duck out. Well, both of them. One's missing, obviously. But everybody seems to be sticking together. You know, they've been hanging out for a few days. They don't really pick on him much anymore. And he seems to be sticking with the flock. So looks like they're doing pretty well. Looks like everything worked out pretty well for them.